Hello everyone and welcome to another StorMagic quick guide video. I'm Lee Ferguson, a technical systems engineer with the technical services team. In today's video we'll be discussing the StorMagic SVSAN and SVHCI Witness. StorMagic's Witness provides arbitration and quorum protection to both SVSAN storage clusters and SVHCI hyperconverged clusters. This typically runs as a service on a physical or virtual machine. However, it should run on a separate cluster from your storage cluster. The Witness enables StorMagic products to provide enterprise data protection, handling node failure, network isolation, cluster down, and many more per our evaluators guides found in the SVSAN and SVHCI manuals. The Witness is shareable from one witness to 1,000 clusters, and it consumes less than 10 kilobits per second of bandwidth per cluster. It tolerates 3 seconds of latency, enabling it to run anywhere, including in the cloud, behind network address translation. The appliance nodes will attempt to communicate with the Witness over any interface available, and in a stretch configuration, such as VSAs running in 2 data centers or SVHCI running across 2 data centers. As stated before, the Witness must exist in a third location or in the cloud to provide data center failover protection. The appliance nodes in the Witness service utilize automatic or static discovery entries communicating over TCP UDP 4174 with supporting documentation available in our portal. Static IP addressing should always be used for the Witness, as we don't want the nodes to lose connection to it on an IP address change. All StorMagic packages can be downloaded via the support portal, support.stormagic.com, with anyone able to create an account with the sign in and sign up links. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deploy a Witness appliance to a vSphere environment. This can be done via an OVA file, which can be acquired from our support portal, support.stormagic.com. You will need to be signed in to access the download section, but once signed in, click Downloads, and under SVSAN you'll find the Witness Appliance OVA. If you do not find this link here, see all 11 articles, and you should find it in there. Select the Witness Appliance OVA link, and accept the license agreement. Once you've done that, click the link to start the download. I've already downloaded the file as a zip. You just need to extract it into a folder, and from there we will select the cluster that we will deploy it to. Again, the Witness needs to be deployed on a separate cluster from your storage cluster. This is the cluster that I have kept my VSAs on, and this is the cluster I will deploy my Witness appliance onto. So from here, we will deploy an OVF template. We will select local file and upload files. We will then navigate to the directory where we've left our Witness OVA folder, and we will select the Witness OVA file and go next. We'll give the VM a name, which is LF Witness in this case. We will select the compute node, but in this case I'm going to select any node, but you may want to select a specific one. We will now review the details and click Next. We'll accept the license agreement, continue, and we'll select our storage from here. I'm going to select the NVMe. We can either thick provision or thin provision the Witness. When thin provisioned, the Witness will consume about 1 gigabyte of space. And when thick provisioned, it will consume around 4.5 gigabytes of space. We will thin provision in this case. And go next. I will select the network. I'm going to put it on my LAN, my management network. And from here, we'll give it a password. Give it a simple one here. A host name, LF Witness, the domain name, the DNS, and the default gateway. We will set static IP on the Witness instead of DHCP. And 10.66, and a net mask of 255.255.255.0 in my case. We'll go next and finish. While that is deploying, I will demonstrate to you that there is a witness built into our StorMagic plugin for SVSAN. If you deploy an SVSAN plugin VM, it will contain a witness automatically within it. Just to kind of show you this, I will go to one of my VSAs, and from here, if I click the discovery page, you will see there is my plugin VM showing as a witness. Now, once the witness has been deployed, we will try power it on. With the witness deployed and power on, we can see that my details have populated within the witness. And if we go over to our VSAs now and check our discovery, we shall find that it has populated with the witness that I've deployed. While I'm here, I can demonstrate to you how to edit a target to use a different witness. If we go to our targets page in our VSA and select an existing target by its name, we can edit this target, and from here we can select a new witness. In this case, I will select the witness I've just deployed, and we can hit apply. And you can see now that it is using the new witness. When we go to our targets page, we will see it represented here as well. To show you the specs of the witness, I'll edit the settings. And as stated previously, it consumes 1 GB of hard disk. It also consumes 1 GB of RAM and 1 vCPU. This is thin provisioned, so this is what it will look like. Thick provisioned, it will consume more hard disk. I hope you found this video useful. If you require further information, we have a wealth of knowledge base articles in our support portal at support.stormagic.com. Or if you have any queries or further questions, you can contact our support team as well through the same support portal. And thanks for watching.